Yan guys, oh wow, ang lalaki guys, oh. Lalaki yung ginto guys, ito pang ano, pang yayamanin. Yan oh, ang ganda nito guys. Bibili kayo ng gold. If you want to buy gold, you come here, oh. Yan guys, ang ginto. Brother, how much here? This one, the flat one. Flat. The flat one, the small one. No, yes.
This one heavyweight, sister, but I have already lightweight, no problem. This one.
I'll take video here. It's okay?
It's 2,330.
How much?
2,330 because this heavy. If one lightweight, I
Do you have light one?
Yes, I have.
Kunwari, bibili tayo mga... Say hello sa may, video kuya. So, plan ko. So, this one, oh, very nice. How much like that? 5,000?
No. I think maybe that one 65 gram. 15,500.
Oh my gosh. 15,000 guys. How much in peso? Like 100. 15,000. Wow, million na I guess. Grabe guys, oh. Ganyan kamahal. Ito talaga ang nagdala dito guys. Oh, parang wow.